Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you some simple exercises you can do at home to lose weight fast. Before we start, remember that losing weight is not just about exercising. A healthy diet and lifestyle are also important. Consult your doctor if you have any medical conditions before starting a new exercise routine. Now, let's begin. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Start by standing with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs shoulder-width apart and raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 2. Squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms at your sides. Bend your knees and lower your body as if you were sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Return to the starting position and repeat. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 3. Lunges. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your hands on your hips. Take a big step forward with one leg and lower your body until your knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should almost touch the floor. Return to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps on each leg. Exercise 4. Push-ups. Start by getting into a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet together. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the ground, then push back up. If you're a beginner, you can do push-ups on your knees instead of your toes. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 5. Plank. Lie face down on the floor with your forearms on the ground and your elbows under your shoulders. Lift your body up so that your body is in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, then rest for 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Remember to warm up before exercising and cool down afterwards. Drink plenty of water and eat a healthy diet to support your weight loss goals. With consistency and dedication, you can lose weight fast with these simple exercises at home. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.